Hi there. So in this video I'm going to show you how to show alert in your Android device. So what we're going to do is we're going to add one button, and if we click on that button it should display us some alert on device. Okay, so for that we will just go inside activity main.xml's text view and add one button here. Okay, so let me just wait for autocomplete so that I can get auto-filled values for width and height. Okay, so wrap content should be for layout width and also for layout height. Okay, after that let's add our Android ID. So ID is going to be @+ then ID and then slash, and here I'm going to name it button1, and also I'm going to add Android text and name it alert me. Okay, so let's check it in design, and here you see your button. Now go into your main activity.java. Here create instance of button as private button, and then create button equals to your button instance, then find view by ID, and here you should point to your button one so that it will have its reference. Then your button dot set on click listener. Okay, and here you use view dot on click listener. Okay, and inside that we're going to add all our code. Okay, let's start with our first view, public void, and then on click inside view, and here we will have our code for alert dialog. So let's have that. Let's go ahead with alert dialog builder. So alert dialog dot, let's find out builder. Okay, so it's there, builder, and then alert dialog builder equals to, here let's create one more instance of alert dialog dot builder. Okay, and inside that we will add context. Okay, and you can also mention final context equals to this. Okay, so this points your context to current instance. Okay, and after all of this what we will do is we will use alert dialog builder. Okay, now let's set the title here. So set title, and inside that let's just use alert start. Okay, and here from onwards we can set the message for click to exit, etc. So let's start with that. Alert dialog builder dot set message, and here you see click to exit for exit message, then on next set cancelable. Now when we are setting our dialogs option here for our alert, so what we're going to do is we are going to use alert dialog builder dot set negative button. This is to make it cancelable, and you can type in cancel here. Okay, so simply use new dialog interface. Okay, and here you can specify on click listener. Okay, Inside that you can use public void on click. Okay, and you can then specify your dialog interface, dialog, and then integer which. Okay, and here you can get dialog dot cancel. Okay, so this should cancel the dialog that is visible here. One thing that we need to do before we execute our program is we have to create our alert dialog. So let's go ahead with that. Alert dialog, and here I'm going to use alert dialog builder and dot create method. Okay, and then finally use alert dialog dot show. Okay, once we do that, then our alert dialog will be displayed and we can use our alert inside our program. Okay, now open your emulator and run your app. Okay, so it will run through our creator build. Okay, now it will open the app and then it will show me the button. Now I'm going to click on this button and it should show me that alert. And as you can see, the message alert start is displayed. Now clicks to exit. Now I have to click cancel so that dialog will be removed. Okay, so now you can get the idea that in order to display your alert, you have to create one button activity to which you can attach your alert. Then you can see I have created alert dialog builder and then set the title, then message, and also attached one button here that basically allows you action of cancel or to accept whatever the action is. And inside that we have dialog.cancel method. And finally, to show this alert inside our app, I'm using alert dialog and then alert dialog builders dot create method to create alert. And finally, with show method, I am displaying that. So this was a short example on how to create alert inside Android.